Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for one of the most advanced dash cams ever made, today's product is on a completely different level. This is the 70mm dual dash cam front and rear 4K, Omni X800, and it's not just a dash cam, it's a smart driving security system. Let's start with what makes this model special: Sony IMX678 sensor with STARVIS 2 technology. This is next-generation night vision. Even in low-light streets, tunnels, or rainy nights, the footage remains bright, sharp, and detailed. License plates, road markings, and faces are clearly visible where ordinary dash cams completely fail. The front camera records in true 4K resolution, while the rear camera provides reliable Full HD coverage, giving you full protection from both directions. But what really sets the Omni X800 apart is its AI-powered rotating camera system. The camera physically rotates to follow motion around your vehicle, offering nearly 360-degree surveillance when parked. Now let's talk about 4G LTE connectivity. With the optional LTE module, this dash cam stays connected even when you're away from your car. You receive real-time alerts on your phone if someone approaches, hits, or tampers with your vehicle. This feature alone makes it feel more like a security camera than a traditional dash cam. The AI motion detection intelligently identifies humans and vehicles, reducing false alerts caused by shadows or passing lights. Combined with 24-hour parking monitoring, your car is protected day and night. For drivers, the ADAS system is a huge bonus. It provides lane departure warnings, forward collision alerts, and real-time driving assistance, especially useful on highways and long trips. Connectivity is ultra-fast thanks to 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6, allowing instant video downloads with minimal delay. You also get voice control, meaning you can save clips or take photos without touching the screen, keeping your focus on the road. The dash cam supports loop recording, emergency video locking, and advanced app control, making it perfect for daily drivers, rideshare drivers, and anyone serious about vehicle safety. This is not just a dash cam, it's AI-powered protection for your car. If you want top-tier video quality, smart monitoring, and next-level security, check the link below and grab the 70mm Omni X800 on Amazon today. And as always, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay safe on the road.